Good day everyone, my name is Marnie P. Albo from Rooms 11 at Kinder. I dedicated this poem for my parents who are loving me, caring me, supporting me, and always there for me through ups and downs. My parents' accomplishments. My parents are so special to me, for without their love, I would not be. They brought my spirits into this life. They opened my eyes and gave me sight. They made me who I am today. They taught to me walk and how to play. They are always there in my time of need. They always share and have no greed. They showed me love and how to pray. How talk to the world. I say I heard them in time. When I was wrong, while their love for me still grows in stream. They have lived through so many days, together from sunny ones to stormy weather. They work so hard to give me best, never stopping a day to take a rest. They gave me as life and health as sharp, like a knife. They give us wisdom and show us how to face the problem to come. They gave us everything and made sure our lives are convenient. They patiently taught us how to walk and talk, and serve us our roof and root. They give a wisdom and understanding to become sunrise in the morning. They might not be perfect but hope, happiness, and success. When you are old and weak, I give you faith and strength. I don't know how to thank, but I sure I finish all your things. I always thank to my parents to guiding to my journey and study. Maybe I can repay, but this poem is dedicated to my